welcome to my vlog. Today is Lunar New Year's Eve. Yay! So I will be, of course, doing a lot of cooking. I am making a feast tonight for Chinese New Year. I also have Avery today. I'm babysitting her again, so it's gonna be really busy for me today. Let's go!
We gotta take that wire off. We gotta take those wires off. One more. Where's the other one? Take off. Take off. My first book of Mandarin Chinese words. Ball is called Chou. Chou. Ball. Chou. Doll is Wawa. Wawa. Yeah, Wawa. Train is 火车. 火车.火车. Wawa. Peekaboo. 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 Spin, spin. You can't spin that? Just kidding. I tricked you. Be fine. You need to be first this time. Oh, your rice fell down? Oh.
Oh.
Crying?
It's okay, crybaby.
Look, Avery, look. Look, it fell down. You pick it up.
That's so Asian of you, crying because I lost my rice.